All right, today we are diving into a really popular at-home fitness system. And it's fascinating because it takes one of the most basic things we do every day, walking, and completely transforms it into a full-body workout. But that, of course, brings up a pretty big question.
You've probably asked yourself this, right? I mean, we all know walking is great. It's fantastic for getting your steps in, clearing your head, but can it really be a challenging whole-body workout? Well, the system we're looking at today is designed to make you say, absolutely yes.
And this quote from the program's creator just nails it. This isn't your average stroll around the block. The whole point is moving in every possible direction to wake up muscles from literally head to toe.
So, let's get into the nitty-gritty of what makes this so much more than just a walk.
Okay, so take a look at this. On one side, you have a traditional walk. Outside or on a treadmill, it's all forward motion. It's good for you for sure, but it's pretty much all lower body. But then you look at the walk at home method. It's built on moving in all directions, which is meant to surprise and fire at muscles that a normal walk just doesn't touch. So how does it do that?
Well, it all starts with a few incredibly simple, easy-to-learn building blocks. Let's check them out.
And believe it or not, this is it. The whole system is built on just these 4 moves. You've got your basic power walking, you have side steps to get that lateral movement, kickbacks for the back of your legs, and knee lifts for the front and your lower abs. That's it. That's the entire foundation. Now here's what's so smart about this. That basic walk, it's your home base. If a side step or a kickback feels a little tricky, you don't have to stop, you just go right back to walking. It means the workout never has to come to a halt, so you can just keep on moving.
Okay, so we've got 4 simple steps. How in the world did they become this high-energy, calorie-torching workout? Well, this is where the magic really happens. So picture this. You start with one of those foundational moves. Let's say a kickback. Right now, you're mostly working the back of your thighs. And then, here's the game changer. It's so simple. You just add your arms. You might start pumping them, maybe raise them up over your head. It seems like a small thing, but it changes everything.
And this just explains it perfectly. The second your arms go up, what happens? Your core has to tighten up to keep you stable. Suddenly, that simple leg move is a core exercise. Your abs and back just lit up.
Here's another great example. A standard knee lift, that's your lower body. But add that simple little twist, bringing your opposite hand to your knee, and bam, you're instantly lighting up the muscles all along your waistline. It's this idea of amplifying the moves that makes it so powerful.
All right, so let's talk about the payoff. What does all this amplified movement actually do for your health and your body?
The benefits are pretty huge. Because you're using so many muscles at once, you're strengthening your heart and lungs, you're burning way more calories than a regular walk, and maybe the best part, you're building real, sustainable energy that lasts all day. I just love this quote because it completely changes the goal of working out, doesn't it? It's not just about what happens in those 30 minutes, it's about what that workout gives you back for the rest of your day, having the energy to actually go out and enjoy your life.
And this all circles back to a really important idea, muscular balance. By moving you forward, backward, side to side, the workout hits all those muscles we tend to forget about. This helps you build a more functional kind of strength that actually helps you in your everyday life.
So finally, let's talk about the philosophy behind all this, because it's what makes this whole approach so effective for so many people.
This right here is the secret sauce. It just gets rid of all the usual excuses, doesn't it? You can do it whenever you want, morning or night, you don't need a huge space, and you always have full permission to just go at your own pace. It's your workout. I mean, how freeing is that? It just throws all the rules out the window about when you're supposed to exercise. The right time to work out is whenever you can, and whenever you want to. And that's really what it comes down to. It's about empowerment. It's not about you having to change your life to fit in a workout. It's about a workout that's designed to fit into your life. And this quote just says it all, doesn't it? The power to really change your health and energy isn't at some fancy gym across town. It's right there, in your own home, ready whenever you are. It's a pretty amazing thought that something as simple as walking can be reimagined into a complete fitness solution. So the only real question left is, what could that look like for you?